The third new technology I choose is Line Dictionary. Line Dictionary is free to use. Line Dictionary offers Chinese, English, English Indonesian, English Thai dictionaries. One nice feature about Line Dictionary is a sentence parser, similar to Pleco's clipboard reader features. You can paste an entire sentence in Chinese and it will analyze it, reorganize the sentence with spaces and pinyin, so you can better read it. However, unlike Pleco, this feature does not give you the meaning of each phrase. It only gives you the definition of some keywords in the passage. Line Dictionary also offers daily phrase and quotes for those of you who are studying Chinese. I choose this online dictionary for all level Chinese language students and teachers. It is a useful and powerful tool. You can see here, if you type any Chinese characters here, it will come out like the English meaning. You also can hear the pronunciation. So here also shows like today's quotes is 人生最大的痛苦是梦醒了之后无路可走. Here you can see the 拼音. Here is the English translation. So here also have the today's proverbs is 敌人逃窜时人人都成了勇士. Here is the 拼音. Here is the English meaning. So next I will show you how to use this dictionary. We can type here, we can try to type a word 苹果. Okay, we type the Chinese here. 苹果. Okay, it's coming out. Say the 苹果. Here is the pronunciation. Yeah, you can see the pinyin here and the meaning here. So you can see the list is the phrase they made with the 苹果. Like first one, 苹果绿, that means the apple green, right? 苹果塔 is the apple tower. Then 苹果汁 is apple juice. 苹果派 is apple pie. So we also can type a sentence here. 今天的天气很好. Okay, we can check its meaning. Okay. Here said, no results found for 今天的天气很好, but they have very useful examples here. You can see here, 今天的天气很不好. That's just opposite with 很好. Here also has a 拼音 and English meaning. 今天的天气真好. So also similar sentence. You can check the 拼音 and the English meaning. So I think you got how to use it. We also can check some today's expressions. You can see this today's expressions is here is a word 等候, right? 等候. Here is an English meaning, it's waiting. Here is all sentence made with 等候. Like the A is here has all the examples. You can listen all of them. This is a related vocabularies also. You can check the vocabularies. So this is a really good, useful and powerful tool for students and teachers.